Okay. Next we will go to long and short sound. Long and short sound. So you might have a question, ma'am, you taught us ABCD as A, B, K. Why should we learn that? Why should we learn the sounds of the letter? Why don't we fix it with ABCD? Yes, because see here we have ice cream. Here we have ice cream. Okay. Sometimes some words starts with the name of the letter, but some words starts with the sound of the letter. For example, if I take elephant, E sounds as A. E sounds as A. Elephant. Okay na? But if I take as eagle, and eagle, E na eagle ಅಲ್ಲಿ E na E ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. But elephant ಅಲ್ಲಿ E na ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? What I am saying? In eagle, I am using the name of the letter. In elephant, I am using the sound of the letter. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? For example, what you are wearing? You are wearing is uniform, right? You are wearing uniform. What you are wearing? Uniform. U is pronounced as U. U is pronounced as U. Okay? Uniform. Uniform ಅಲ್ಲಿ name of the letter. Okay na? What I'll give this card under the table. I'll give this card under the table. U-N-D-E-R. Under. U is pronounced as A. U is pronounced as A. Under ಅಲ್ಲಿ U ನ A ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ U ನ U ಅಂತಾನೆ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So only we have to learn phonics also, means sound of the letter also, and name of the letter also. If you are going to use the name of the letter, then it is long sound. What it is? Long sound. If you are going to use sound of the letter, then it is short. Then it is short. Name of the letter is long sound. Sound of the letter is short sound. Okay? If you are pronouncing A as A, then it is a say loudly, then it is a long sound. That is what we were having that doubt. Here I is pronounced as I itself. I na I ಅಂತನೇ pronounce ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ice cream. Ice cream is a long sound or short sound? Ice cream is a long sound or short sound? Uniform is a long sound or short sound? Uniform is a long sound or short sound? Apple is a long sound or short sound? What it is? Okay, if you are going to pronounce the name of the letter, then it is a say loudly, then it is a long sound. If you are going to pronounce the sound of the letter, short sound. Okay, this is about the long and short sound. Now, did you clear the doubt about why it is I? It is called as I itself. If it is called I as I, then it is a long sound. If it is called I as E, it's called short sound. Okay, is there any doubts in this?
No, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am. Name of the letter is long sound. Sound of the letter is short sound.
Yes, okay, ma'am. You have taught us everything. Then here there is how to pronounce? Blend it. How to blend the letters. How to that is called blends. What it is? Blend. What is this? Blend. Okay na? In Kannada we will be having ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರ. ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ? ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ತರ ಇದು same way. In English we will be having blends. For example, blur. For example, fleur. See, for example, we have flag, our national flag. Okay, fleur, flag. We are going to blend the two letters. We are going to blend the
Two letters.
blur, fleur, clear. So these are some examples. You will be having many like okay, okay, those are blends. Now let us see many other blends. Let us see the other blends. Yes, of course. Yes. So as I said, blends. So we will say BLS, BLS, CLS, CLS. Lord, love, blood. Okay, now what does the CL says? What does the CL says? Now you say clap, clap, hip, clap, octave. Very good. Now need to stand up. Now say which blend is this? Flip. Okay. Now say what does the A says? What does the G says? One second. Yes. What does the A says? What does the G says? And I have flip. Right? Now flip. Very good. Very good. Now did you get an idea how to read the blends? Yes. Now one minute. What does the PL say? Plug. Right. What does the U say? What does the U say? What does the G say? G. Plug. G. Plug. Octave. Plug. Plug. Okay. Now did you get an idea how to read the blends? Did you get an idea? Yes. Very good. Hemant, can you come here? Read the clovers. Clovers. Very good. Very good. Clap for him. Next. Next, who will come? Let me select. Hunaina, will you? Flowers. Flowers. Yes. Yes. Very good. Yes. Very good. Very good. Yes. This is the way how you are going to blend the letters and you are going to join with the other letters by using the phonic sounds. Okay. You have many blends. You have many blends. I will show you. So we are going to blend the two letters. For example, as I said, blur, clear, fleur, fleur, slur, clur. Here, sk. What do you say? Sk. Ind. Int. Imp. Ilp. Gr. For example, grapes. Drum. Frog. Did you get my point where we are going to use the blends? Yes. Here you can see grasp. Here I have two blends. One is gr, another one is sp. Grasp. Grasp. So how you read? Grasp. Grasp. Next, k. CK is k. For example, black. Black. Next, eat. Tilt. Okay, now the blends can be at the starting also or at the end also. Blends starting nalladru irbodu athwa ending nalladru irbodu. Okay na, when you are going to get these two letters you have to blend it. What you have to do? Blend it. You have to blend it and you have to read it. Okay, now shall we have a fun game?
Yes.
Shall we have a fun game?
Yes.
So I am going to give you 30 seconds of time. You can see the blends here. Right? Blends ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಯಾವ blend ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನೋ, which blend I am going to give you the task, you have to see it. You have to inhale the air through straw like this. Okay, and you have to drop it into the box. Okay na? ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬ್ಲರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಬ್ಲರ್ ಹುಡುಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಆರ್ ಯು ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ? completely blur and your time starts now. Yes, so now let us count. Okay, Hemant, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Hemant has been collected 5. Okay, clap for Hemant. And Neetu Shri, 1. You have collected plus. This is wrong. 2. You have collected 2 plus and 2 blur. Blur is correct. I didn't say you to collect plus. Okay. So in this Hemant collected total 5 blur and Neetu collected total 2 blurs. Clap for them. Huda said you have to collect